My uncle used to
A
live.
slow kid? What does that mean?
He was mentally.
Okay, cancel culture doesn't exist, you fucking...
Story time, you fucks. But they would jack up the prices like a motherfucker. Loggers tripped and broke his ankle on one of Johnny's. Knew those guys had something to do with it. Closed up shop, and the police ruled it as a. One of the policemen said he's.
To come
Over there.
behind me, over here, Evan. Your head's not in the shot, okay. Yours in the cooler are mine, you guys. Here all weekend just because you're toxic mask. You said that you want. Oh, was it? I didn't say we didn't.
Well, that's good news because
You blew your chance this time. I'm still gonna go to the lookout to him, and maybe you can stretch me out a little. Don't wear yourself out in there. I was wondering when you were finally gonna show.